QuickBooks users upgrading to Sage Intacct have gotten by with so little reporting for so long that they really get excited when seeing how Sage Intacct publishes key performance indicators, operating reports, and financial statements directly to dashboards. This means they can open up an accounts receivable dashboard directly in their browser and get immediately up to date on the overall amounts that are due, the change in that amount from one point in time to the next, an aging of that amount over different time periods, and a fully detailed aging without running a single report. Within their browser, Sage Intacct immediately presents completely up-to-date information directly sourced from the general ledger. I'm BTerrell, managing partner of BTerrell Group. Fully informed managers and stakeholders is an outcome on which many prospects make the decision to upgrade from QuickBooks to Sage Intacct. BTerrell SmartSuite is a portfolio of software, services, and deliverables fulfilling that business outcome through unlimited report and dashboard design and development services. As you consider upgrading from QuickBooks or that legacy on-premises accounting application, reach out to me at bterrell.com/Sage Intacct, and I'll provide more details on what BTerrell is really selling here, which is fully informed financial decision makers. But whatever you do, insist on membership in BTerrell SmartSuite.